Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful DSLR that's been turning heads among photographers and content creators, the Canon 90D. Whether you're into portraits, sports, wildlife, or even cinematic video, this camera offers an impressive mix of features that make it a top contender. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. Let's break down everything you need to know before making the purchase. Let's kick things off with the standout feature of the Canon 90D, the 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. This sensor delivers incredibly sharp, high-resolution images, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting expansive landscapes or tight portraits, you can count on your images being crisp, detailed, and vibrant. Next up is speed. The 90D boasts continuous shooting at up to 10 frames per second. This is perfect for action photography, think sports events, wildlife, or any fast-moving subject. Plus, with its optical viewfinder, there's virtually no lag, so you won't miss the perfect moment. If video is your thing, the 90D doesn't disappoint. It shoots 4K UHD video at 30 frames per second with no crop, which means you get the full field of view from your lens. And if you want to get creative with slow motion, the camera offers full HD 120p, giving you smooth, dramatic footage that adds a cinematic touch to your projects. Autofocus is another strong suit of the 90D. It features a 45-point all-cross type autofocus system that locks on quickly and accurately. Combine that with Canon's intelligent tracking and recognition system ITRAF, and the camera can automatically detect and follow faces, keeping your portraits sharp and in focus. Another standout feature is the shutter speed. With a mechanical or electronic 1 SD curtain shutter, the 90D can reach up to 1/8000 of a second. That's fast enough to freeze even the most high-speed action. Add to that dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF, and it's easy to keep your subject's eyes perfectly sharp, even in dynamic scenes. The autofocus coverage is also impressive. With select EF or EFS lenses, you get up to 88% horizontal and 100% vertical AF coverage. This makes it easier to focus on subjects that aren't centered in the frame, great for creative composition. Let's talk usability. The 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen LCD is a major asset. You can tilt and rotate it to shoot from high or low angles, making it super handy for vlogging, selfies, or even tricky compositions. It also makes reviewing photos and tapping to focus during live view incredibly simple and intuitive. Battery life is always a concern, especially for long shoots. The 90D offers an optional BGE14 battery grip that holds 2 LPE6N batteries. This not only extends your shooting time but also gives you a more comfortable grip for vertical shooting. When it comes to connectivity, the camera includes built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can quickly transfer files to your phone or tablet, and with the Canon Camera Connect app, you can control your camera remotely. This is perfect for group shots, wildlife photography, or vlogging without needing to be right behind the camera. So, who is the Canon 90D for? If you're looking for a DSLR that delivers high-quality images and video, rapid shooting, excellent autofocus, and strong build quality, this camera ticks all the boxes. Whether you're a beginner upgrading your gear or a pro looking for a reliable secondary body, the 90D is a strong, versatile option that handles just about anything you throw at it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more camera reviews and gear guides. Drop your questions or thoughts about the 90D in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.